Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing alternating high side planks. For these, we're going to pick a side, and we're going to make sure that our shoulders, elbows, and wrists are all stacked in one straight line. And we're going to stagger our feet when we're doing these because we're going to be shifting from side to side. So, pressing the earth away super hard with that arm that's on the ground. And then we're going to just roll forward onto the other arm, elevating that other hand off the ground. Just shift your feet back and forth. We're going to be super engaged through our core as we do these. So, to find out how these would fit perfectly in your workout program, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com and sign up for online personal training and let me do all the work for you.